Ngayon naman pupunta ako kung saan yung, ewan ko kung familiar kayo sa show na Full House, tapos nung ni-reboot naging Fuller House. Ito ng year na to yung reboot na yon, pero yung original nasa 1990s yun, yung Full House, yung may kambal na Olsen twins, sila Michelle. Yan, ito yun, pupuntahan ko yung lugar kung saan yung bahay ng Full House. Dito yan, tinatawag nilang Pink Ladies. Diyan. Ayan, o diba? Ayan. Ito yung area na yan. So, let's see. Yan yung park sa mismong harap na tuwing magsisimula yung yung TV series, yung show, yan ang unang-unang pinapakita, yung park na yan. Ang ganda rito, ang tahimik. Tsaka ang gaganda ng bahay. Look at that. Humongous. Laking bahay na Victorian house. At talaga nakikita mong luma na, pero maganda pa rin. Tsaka ang cute nung nila, yung cafe. At saka dito dumadaan yung yan, yung Muni Underground na Caltrain or bar. Yeah, Muni Underground. Ayan na. Ayan na, yung sinasabi kong bahay. Bahay ng Full House. Dito sa harapan ng park. O, di ba? Ang ganda pa ng kaharap. Meron din doon sa dulo, ayun. Diba? There you go. Natatakpan ng puno yung isa eh. Pero that's the yung TV sitcom na Full House, and then it became Fuller House. Yay! There's the Pink Ladies, the famous Pink Ladies house. There you have it. Hope you like that. See you on the next one, next vlog. Take care, y'all. Yan, nakabili pa ako ng pressed juiced Revival dyan sa, yan, at the back, at yan, at that cafe behind me. Cute ng nila rito, neighborhood. Ang cute ng cafe, I like it. Meron tong beet, lemon juice, kale, carrots, cucumber, and there's one more, I forgot. There's one more veggie on this. Let me taste it. Oh, yeah, you can taste the beet, the ginger and all. I love it.